think we will take 2 or 3 questions. So anyone with a question, please, we are ready to listen.
So my question is about inner wisdom, okay? So what would I do more to make my inner wisdom?
To sharpen your inner wisdom, you have to do good karmas, good actions. Good actions. You indulge in welfare of the people. You do good karmas, so that soul speaks to you. So what do you want? Whatever you want in your life, soul speaks to you how to go for that. So good karmas, meditations can embark a new journey for you, and your soul starts speaking to you.
So in order to have more wisdom, inner wisdom, I need to follow my inner wisdom.
Yeah.
Like my inner voice.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
See, we live in outside this world. 24 hours we think about others. When we point one finger to a person, 4 fingers are towards me. So give 5 to 10 minutes every day to yourself. When you just by giving your 5 to 10 minutes to yourself, suppose today you have made 10,000 mistakes. Just by seeing it, tomorrow you will make 9,999 mistakes. One day further, you will make 9,998 mistakes. But if you'll not think about it, then this 10,000 will multiply to 1 lakh and you will not know it. So my request is to you to go inside.
So how would I know that it's good or bad? Because if I've said to myself, it's very good for me to do it, but when I go to another person and I ask them, they will tell me it's bad. So
it's perception. You have to experience it. When you go inside, you will experience yourself. These are not the things to tell you wordly. Because suppose you give sweet to a dumb person, how he will tell you how he felt the sweets? You have to see his gestures only. So first you go inside. Thank you. That was a very nice question. That was the basics. I know Dr. Lakshmi will be knowing all things. Sir.
Wajo, and I'm a student civil engineering 3rd year. Yeah, so I want to ask, how does spirituality relate to civil engineering?
Relate to?
Civil engineering.
Civil engineering.
Yeah.
See, I have given you some examples that when you talk with yourself, you give time to yourself, your tendency to manifest the things will be stronger. Whatever you want, you may listen to the law of attraction and law of manifestation. But these coaches never tell you how this law of attraction will manifest. It will be manifested to only those persons who go for inner wisdom, who search for self. Suppose you want any worldly thing. If you meditate on that worldly thing will be revealed to you. Because most of these formulas are revealed to these persons who are doing the work for that. There was no logic. Logic was found later. So whatever you want on that purpose, on that thing, maybe it worldly or out of this world, you have to concentrate on that. You have to give 5-10 minutes on concentration with that thing. With silence. All the things, all the outside things, totally closed. Go inside your heart, go inside your middle of these eyebrows and see your soul and manifest on the desire. Slowly you will get plans to get that desire. I've done it many times. Thank you.
Okay, last one.
All right, thank you for the lecture. It was really beneficial. It links between the morals and science. My question is simple. In what way can the neuroscience translate or explain the ancient wisdom tradition like mindfulness, stoicism? Because there are some diseases right now, when you go to a neurologist, they will tell you that diseases like epilepsy and others, they are mind-related, and practicing ancient wisdom like mindfulness, meditation, can release the attacks of epilepsy. Thank you.
Very nice question. practically all the diseases are generated in your mind. This has been now a valid concept and scientists are working on it. Basically, if your mind is good, if your mind is strengthened, all the diseases you can cover up. See, the doctor, what the doctor is doing? Doctor wants some physical things. He wants to find out some physical tests, like problem in liver, he studies the data of liver, he studies the data of heart. But this disease originates in your mind. Then it reflects in your body. So to come out of this, you should go in deep meditation, in deep thinking mode, and think about that you have relieved from this disease. Continuously by doing this practice, you will come out of this disease. There was a cancer patient and she had a thought that if she will go in his church, I don't remember that name, and this came in news also. And she thought that if she will go in this church and live there, she will come out that cancer. 21 days she lived in that church, and you will not believe all her tests became normal. So these are the things of your mind. So strengthen your mind, strengthen your soul, and you will get the desired results. This topic it's a big topic. I can take separately for you, and in that I will talk about the relationship between body, mind, and soul. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think this brings us to the end of this lecture today. I thank you all for coming. Okay. All right. We have a vote of thanks, after which those of you who would love to take a photo with Sri will go up there and take a photo. But those of you who have classes or other things to do, after the vote of thanks, you are free to leave. Thank you.